Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're doing 9.4 area of cylinders. Cylinders are pretty easy, so this video shouldn't be too long. I'm trying out a new writing tool also, so hopefully it makes the handwriting better. So let's get started. If you need to pause the video at any time, feel free. And here we go. Maybe. So here's our formula for the surface area of cylinders. S just stands for surface area, and then we have 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. We only have two variables here. The first one is the r, which is your radius, and the second one is the h, which is the height of the cylinder. So those are the only two numbers you need for the formula. Once you have them, you plug them in and you get the answer. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. And that did not erase. Good to know. Okay, so on our example one, we have this cylinder with the number provided. So we're going to write the formula down. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. Okay, so you can see the radius from this picture is 11. Remember, the radius is a line from the center of a circle to the edge. So that is our radius. And then we have the height, which is just how tall is the cylinder. And that is right there, the 26. That is our height. We plug both numbers in. So I would get 2 pi times the radius, which is 11, times the height, which is 26, plus 2 pi times 11 squared. And remember, you can use the Desmos scientific calculator to type this in, or you can just use your phone if you want. Make sure you use the pi button. By the way, the code word for today is cherry. So after this video, once you get to the form, the code word is cherry. I typed this into my calculator already, and I got 2,557.3. And this is yards squared since it's area, but the unit of measure doesn't matter. Remember, when you're doing like your practice and stuff, just type in the number, not the unit of measure, because then it'll count it wrong. And that's it. So we have one more example, and then that'll bring us to the end of the video. And I guess I need to erase this. Oh, there it went. Perfect. Okay, here's our second one. Find the surface area of the cylinder. So our formula again is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. I hope the handwriting is getting better, guys. I got a new stylus, but like, I thought it'd be like a lot better. It's not a lot better. It's a little bit better, but we will work with it. So be careful when you're identifying the radius, because sometimes they're going to try to trick you. Look at this. That's not a radius. That's a diameter. So they gave me the diameter this time. So remember, the radius is half of the diameter. So to get the radius, we're going to have to do half of 15. What is half of 15? Hopefully you know that that is 7.5. So my radius is 7.5. Now the height, that's how tall your cylinder is. Remember, the circle is the base. This is the height. Just because it looks like the 15 is the height does not mean the 15 is the height. That's what's going to get you your radius. You have to picture like the cylinder like sitting on the circle. If it was sitting on the circle, how tall would this cylinder be? It would be 9 meters tall. And we plug it into the formula. 2 times pi times the radius, which is 7.5, times the height, which is 9, plus 2 times pi times the radius, 7.5, squared. Don't forget to square that radius on the second part. And if you don't square it, it won't get you the right answer. And once you type all this in, you will get 777.5 meters squared. Again, remember, you don't need the meters when you're doing your practice. And that's the end. Hopefully this helps, guys. And I will see y'all on the next video. Thanks.